Hey, what's up? Welcome to my first video. Today, I'm gonna talk about a website that will make you $2 every 30 seconds. So let's jump into the video. First of all, registering this website is 100% free, and the way you are earning money is just by doing some activities, which I'm gonna tell you how we are gonna do it. First one, and the most famous one, is just by watching ads. This website is going to offer you to watch some ads, and by watching ads, the website gonna pay you money, and the amount of money that it will give you is based on the time of the ad. Maybe a question comes to your mind: when we watch the ads and there is no more ads, what should we do? So I'm gonna tell you the other ways. One of them is high paying surveys, which you do some surveys that website is offering you, and by answering some questions in the website, it will pay you some money just for the questions you answered and the time you spent on the website. Next one is completing offers. The website offers you to watch some ads or visit some website, and when you done it, exactly like the achievements you earn in the games, it will pay you money for doing it. And once you done it, there you go, you have your money for the website you have visited or ad you have watched. The next option that you can earn money with is referring others. So in the website you will get a referring link, and you can send it to your friends and invite them to the website, and by the activities they done, you will earn extra money just because of them doing activities. And if you don't have friends, you can find one and give them the link. It's that easy. The next one is name several contests. What does it mean? It means that the website will offer you to visit some website and engage in their surveys or register in their website or watch their ads, which if you do this, it will give you extra money. It's that simple. The other one is called PTP, or paid to promotion, which is the interesting one, and you should share the website information on your social medias like Instagram or Facebook or others. By the clicks on your link, you will gain money. And the last option is the task bonus, which contains some random tasks and offers that you can do and earn extra money. And this is one of the ways to do when you finished all the other tasks. The only option that I recommend to you is just watching ads. This one is a lot easier and doesn't take that much time from you, and it's easy to do. And if you look through the website and scroll down, you will see the amount of money they have paid already to all of their members and all the members they have right now. Currently, there are around 192,000 members. Also, this website shows the name of their members and the country they are from, and also the money they have been earned. And there is different modes of payments that you can cash out your money, such as Perfect Money, Payer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay. One thing that I should tell you is that earning money from this website doesn't need any knowledge or experience. So it's good to at least try, you know what I mean? When you open the website, there's a huge register button. It's not that huge, I mean, it's easy to see. So when you click on it, you will go into a page that needs your general information, such as full name, username, email address, password, and you should confirm it. And you should confirm your email too, your birth year and your birthplace, and also you have to finish a reCAPTCHA and prove that you are not a robot. And after you reading the rules, register to the website. It's that simple. And when your register is done, you go to the main page of the website and you will see some ads on top of your screen, and when you click on them, you have to wait 30 seconds on the website that you have clicked on, and after you finish your time, it will automatically pays you the money, and you are not have to register or buy anything from the website that you have watched its ad. And the tip that you should know, when you click on an ad, you have to look around the website, so they might not assume you as a robot. And when you do it, maybe you are going to finish a reCAPTCHA. After you done that, you are all done. You have watched your first ad and have earned your very first money. When you finish watching your first ad, there are tons of another ads that you can watch too. And the website I'm talking about is called aticlix.net. aticlix.net. If you get bored too fast and you don't have 30 seconds time to watch longer ads, you can watch shorter ads too. Trust me, there are any type of ads in the website that you can watch and earn money. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment other websites that we can earn money from. Thank you for your time. I wish you the best. See you in a bit.